Good evening, Sir Ronel. I'm po Joshua Bilalin and I'm here to present my work Smart Irrigation, an automatic watering for plants, water container detector, and ventilation with temperature and easy access monitoring. So first and foremost, start natin yung simulation. And firstly, magdi-display dito is yung temperature, which is from temperature sensor. Then after nyan is maano yung sa soil moisture, madedetect kung ano yung moisture ng soil. Then meron tayong iba't ibang value nyan. So unang-una, if ang soil natin is below 350, magdi-display siya ng soil moisture, water the plants, and o-open yung water source or yung ating servo motor as indication. Yan, umikot na siya. Then babalik lang siya once na tapos na siyang mag-water. Yan. Yung next naman is yung ating ito, if maglalaro yung value niya is 350 to 500, the soil moisture is normal. And lastly, if the soil moisture is higher, it means the soil is too wet. So next tayo kay container para ma-detect natin. Yan, mag-open yung water source, iikot yung servo motor as indication po. Then yung next na tayo, which is yung kay water container detector, and as we can see, yan, pag nasa ganyan siyang range na na-detect is midway. And if ilapit pa natin para masabi natin onti lang yung laman, maglalapit siya ng ng value na low. Yan, dito yung banda sa case 2. Yan. If yung value is 30, maglalabas siya ng low and magdi-display siya ng filling the container, and as indication, si servo motor is iikot. Yan, as you can see, nag-display na yung filling the container and umikot na si servo motor. Then after predefined time, babalik na sa servo motor, meaning na napuno na or nalagyan na ng tubig yung ating container. So meron tayong iba't iba dyan, which is yung next is midway, which is 30 to 70, almost full, which is 70 to 80, and lastly is full, which is 80 to 100. Yan, filling the container again. Then after nyan is yun, dito naman tayo kay pangatlo, which is si ventilation. After neto, so for ventilation, syempre kailangan natin alamin yung temperatura sa loob ng ating green plants house or kung saan man tayo nagtatanim, any planting areas natin. And if yung temperature is mababa, as indication, iilaw sa red LED. And if sobrang taas naman ng temperature, which is masama na para sa ating mga plants, is iilaw, bukod sa iilaw si LED, tutunog si piezo buzzer. As we can see, once na ang value is greater than 30, Yan, and o-open si ventilation, which is ito, para lumabas yung mga may init na hangin or init doon sa loob ng ating planting areas or sa ating greenhouse. Then after po nyan is babalik na siya, and if tama naman po yung temperature, which is around 21 to 24, is iilaw si green LED, indicating na ang ating temperature is tama lang. So try natin, hanapin muna si 21 to 24 dito sa scale. Yan, and as we can see, umilaw na si green LED. And for yun nga, sa temperature natin, ito yun, para makita natin yung current temperature ng ating planting areas. And also, ang pwedeng implementation nito is yung if sakaling si farmer or yung mga nagtatanim is nasa bahay lang, and with the help of LCD display and the button, pwede niyang makita or ma-access yung mga data na meron kay soil, or kung gaano na lang karami yung tubig ng container niya, or kung gaano kainit yung sa planting areas niya. And with that, hindi na masyadong mag-iisip or hindi na kailangang timely i-monitor or i-check ni farmer kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanyang plantituhan or kanyang garden area. So yun lang po for my presentation, which is smart irrigation, an automatic watering for plants, water container detector, and ventilation with temperature and easy access control.